Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all how to make a delicious Murtani. This is a combination of vegetables roasted and then mixed together to give you the most awesome choka ever. And to serve this we're having it with some fireside sada roti. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. So to make this we're going to start by roasting off all of our ingredients. So in my foil packet I have onion and garlic, and I have okra in the other foil packet. I'm putting it in foil because it makes it get softer faster. If you were to put it on the fire directly, what happens is it burns before it has a chance to cook and get nice and soft. On goes some tomatoes and some hot peppers. And feel free to put as much as you want. I'm just drizzling on some oil onto both packages, and then I'll close them to seal to make sure that the steam cooks it really well. We want tender okra, we want a tender garlic and onion. So allow these to roast until they're charred on the outside, and you want it to roast nice and low and slow. If you were to hurry it, the tomatoes will not roast properly all the way through. So give the tomatoes a turn, make sure it's roasting evenly. Now the peppers are finished. I'm just going to remove them, and I'm going to just set the tomatoes aside, and next I'm going to place a baigan or an eggplant to roast. This is the main ingredients in this recipe. So when the tomatoes are done, remove them. And allow the baigan to continue to roast. Now I'm removing the okra once they're nice and soft, and I'm going to place them directly on the fire so that they get a nice char. And now we can add some flavor to the okra. If you put it directly on the heat without steaming it, what happens? It gets dry and hard and it's not nice. So now we just have to let that char evenly. It just takes a couple of seconds. Now I'm going to open the other foil packet and I'm going to check the tomatoes and the garlic. I'm going to place it on the heat so it gets charred also. And once everything is finished and the baigan is nice and soft and everything is cooked, you're going to clean and place everything into a bowl. So I'm just cleaning the tops and the ends off of the okra. You'd want to take the skin off of the tomatoes, the skin off of the garlic and the onion, and just place everything into that bowl. Now with the onion, I want to tell you guys, if you didn't want to cook the onion on the fire, you didn't have to. You could leave it raw also. And you can see how nice and soft the garlic is. So now the last thing to clean would be the eggplant or the baigan. We're just going to scrape off that soft flesh from the inside and place it into our bowl. Now all you have to do is cut up your onion to the size that you would like, and then you're going to take something that you can mash everything together. If you wanted to use your food processor, you can, and what I would suggest is maybe you leave out half of the onion so that you can actually have chopped onion in the choka itself. So just go ahead and mash everything together until it's nice and smooth. You'll notice my Murtani is not a very dark color. I don't like to burn my vegetables, but if you like it dark, of course you can burn the vegetables longer. Add salt to taste. And now we have to chunkay it. So I'm going to add some oil into my frying pan, let that come up to smoking point. Once it's smoking, we'll throw it into the mashed vegetables. This is called chunkaying. And all you have to do now is give this a good mix, taste it and adjust your salt. And then we have one more ingredient to go on, and that would be for some freshly squeezed lime juice, just a little bit at the end. Mix that in, and this is now ready to be served. This is one of the most amazing chokas you'll ever eat. That combination is so perfect. And as I told you guys, I'm serving this with fireside sada roti. If you don't own a fireside, that's okay. And if you live in South Florida and you want one, it's now available at BDC's West Indian Supermarket. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I have dhalpuri and sada roti available. So whatever you like to eat it with, feel free. Thank you all so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Remember, as I said, roast your vegetables to the color that you would like it. So keep safe guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.